Well, welcome back. It's just 5 days away now. A 5-star session of entertainment, high energy sports, and a golden cup of joy to make you smile. This is NDTV Hindu's World Cup 2011 special. Well, the Indian cricket team has arrived in Chennai to take on the Kiwis in the second warm-up game being played at the M.A. Chidambaram Stadium right here in Chennai on the 16th of this month. They are expected to be in high spirits after the victory over the mighty Aussies. They would be hoping to continue with the positive momentum against the Kiwis as well. Well, we are just 5 days away from the Cricket World Cup and the excitement is unbelievable. So if the World Cup mania has tempted you enough, here's a surprise for you, our viewers. But for that, you'll have to do something as simple as writing into us with the line of cheer or perhaps a wacky quip. But it has to be funny or crazy, so let your creative juices flow and start mailing us your lines right away to feedback@ndtv-hindu.com. Or if an idea strikes you right away, you can SMS us at 99625 04179. This could be your ticket to the wicket. Well, many of us begin to complain with, again, the slightest of things going wrong. But what if there were major hurdles confronting us? How strong can one be? How will one be able to overcome such hindrances? Well, Advocate Venkat Krishnan, a visually challenged advocate, has been defying the odds for years now. Let's take a look at this inspirational story.
Advocate Venkata Krishnan, a visually challenged lawyer, has managed to shine in his profession. Currently practicing in High Court, it has taken Venkata Krishnan's immense grit, perseverance and patience to reach where he has.
This is a very challenging and very different profession. Visually challenged, I have to always compete with the normal people. To overcome all these dejections, failures and discouragements, we must be determined enough to achieve something new always. What I expect from the public is not their sympathy, but their understanding.
A postgraduate in law from the Madras University, Venkata Krishnan suffers from retinitis pigmentosa, a type of progressive retinal dystrophy. Until the age of 20, he used braille and cassettes for learning, and through it all, his father stood by him.
I was thinking that he should become a lecturer or a professor in a college. He said, no, I want to take this profession and prove that a visually challenged person is capable of arguing the cases and winning the cases, and he has done it.
நிறைய ஜட்ஜஸ் வந்து ரொம்ப அப்ரிஷியேட் பண்ணியிருக்காங்க. மற்ற விஷுவலி சேலஞ்சை விட மற்ற நார்மல் அட்வொகேட்டை விட வந்து ஜட்ஜஸ்க்கு தேவையான பாயிண்ட்ஸை ப்ரெஸ்கிரிப்டாக அதர் சைடெலாம் வந்து ரொம்ப அவங்களே கூட அப்ரிஷியேட் பண்ணிட்டு போகிறாங்க. பரவாயில்ல, இந்த அளவுக்கு லா எவிடன்ஸு எல்லாமே வந்து இந்த அளவுக்கு ஞாபகம் வச்சுருக்கிறீங்க.
Venkata Krishnan's colleagues and friends who have watched him and known him for years almost don't realize that he is blind.
He is confident that his disability will not impede his future. People like Venkata Krishnan gives us the courage to pursue our own dreams. In Chennai, Marin James for NDTV Hindu.
Well, that's all we have time for, but we're leaving you with some special moments from around the city this Valentine's Day. Have a good night.
Love is in the air and you just need chocolates to top it up. Just strum in La Chocolatier to surprise your loved ones.